Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step process of how to record calls on your iPhone. So let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Software Update. Make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS. If it's not updated, go ahead and install the newest update before moving on. Once your iPhone is updated, open the App Store and tap on the search bar. Type in Call Recorder and download any reliable call recording app that appears in the search results. After installing the app, launch it and follow the prompts to start recording your calls directly from the application. Another way to record calls is by using the built-in screen recording feature. To enable this, open the Settings app again and tap on Control Center. Ensure that screen recording is added to your included controls. Now, whenever you want to record a call, place the call on speaker or use hands-free mode. Then, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Tap the screen recording button to begin recording. This will capture your call audio through the speaker. And that's how you can record calls on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. For more helpful content,